Okay, so today we are going to learn a new chapter, so that is haloalkanes and haloarenes, right? So what is haloalkanes and what is haloarenes, right? In the same way, we have to go some other functional group, right? Alcohols, phenols, and ether, aldehyde, ketones, and carboxylic acid, and the amines, right? So what is amines? What is carboxylic acid? What is ketone, aldehyde? What is haloalkanes and what is haloarenes? Something we know about regarding that. So we have studied in IUPAC nomenclature. So in that IUPAC nomenclature, so already we have given the name for what haloalkanes, haloarenes, what is ketone, what is aldehyde, how we can give the IUPAC nomenclature. But here we have to study in detail regarding what that functional groups. So ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ nomenclatures. Once again we have to see here what exactly the nomenclature of each functional group, okay, right? So IUPAC nomenclature, and then physical property of that particular functional group or else class of compounds, okay, and then we have to go for the preparation, right? How we can prepare that particular class of compounds, right? And then their chemical properties, chemical reactivity, so how they are going to react with the various other groups, okay. So we will discuss one by one. The same thing will repeat it for the becoming chapters, right? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಲಿತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಫಿನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ haloarenes, right? We know that simple hydrocarbon is nothing but what? Methane. So methane is the simplest hydrocarbon, CH4, right? CH4. What is the hybridization of carbon here? So that is nothing but sp3. So directly you can say the hybridization here what? sp3. Why? Because there is a single bond, right? There is a single bond. How many hydrogens are there? 4, right? 4 hydrogens are there, right? So now this is an alkane, you can say it is alkane. So methane, right? Alkane you have, right? So to that alkane, so we have to what? We have to add halogen atom. Alkane ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? halogen ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? halo alkane. ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಕೇನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು? ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಸೊ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ atoms, halogen atoms, right? So you can replace one or more hydrogen, right? One or more hydrogen to get what? So I will replace this hydrogen. So I will replace this hydrogen by one halogen, right? So then what happens? We are getting haloalkanes. So one or more hydrogen you can replace by what? Halogen atom. So this is what we are calling haloalkanes. So this compound we are calling what? Haloalkanes. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? haloalkanes ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, right? Now one more thing you have here, haloarenes. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ haloarenes ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, right? So benzene or any arene compound, so alkane ಇರ್ಬೋದು, arenes you can say, arenes plus halogen, or else benzene. So benzene plus halogen, you can what? So you are getting what? Haloarenes, right? So alkane plus halogen haloalkane ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, arenes plus halogen haloarenes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್. ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ only one halogen I will replace here, right? So you can say it is CH3X. So this is alkyl group, alkyl halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅರೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ benzene, you have what? Hydrogen here, 6 hydrogens are there, right? So this carbon what? sp3 hybridized carbon, or else this carbon undergone sp3 hybridization. So whatever the carbon present in benzene, you know very well, so it should be what? sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, right? So now I can replace one or more hydrogen here, right? So only one hydrogen I will replace, so that is X, and remaining hydrogen same as it is, clear? And this is what exactly the conversion of what? Alkane to haloalkane, arenes to haloarenes, right? So this is aryl, right? So this is nothing but aryl halide, So ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ? Aryl halide. So simple, right? So this is what exactly the example for what? Haloalkanes and the haloarenes. Simple. Alkane is you are getting haloalkane, arenes, from that you are getting what? Haloarenes, right? So now what exactly the definition of haloalkanes and haloarenes? Same thing, right? The replacement of hydrogen atom. So ಒಂದು hydrogen atom ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. So the replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms in a hydrocarbon, that is aliphatic or aromatic. So this is aliphatic and this is the aromatic. By hydrogen atom or atoms result in the formation of what? Alkyl halides, we are calling haloalkane anta heltivi. Alkyl halides called haloalkane and aryl halides called haloarenes respectively, right? So this is regarding what? This is regarding haloalkanes and the haloarenes, right? So what is the importance of haloalkanes and haloarenes, right? Some of this soil microorganism, right? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So microorganism which is present in soil microorganism, soil microorganisms which is produced chloramphenicol, right? So chloramphenicol, we are calling chloramphenicol, right? So chloramphenicol which is produced from the soil microorganism. So this chloramphenicol, chlorine containing antibiotics, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? chlorine containing antibiotics, antibiotics, so which is used in the treatment of what? Typhoid. So typhoid fever na ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? So chloramphenicol, which is chlorine containing antibiotic, which is produced from what? Soil microorganisms. Soil microorganism ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ chloramphenicol, which is chlorine containing antibiotics. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ chlorine containing antibiotics ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So it may be haloalkanes or haloarenes, right? So one more thing I can write, chloroquine, another compound, chloroquine, hydrochloroquine you can say. So chloroquine, very important. So malaria, alva, malaria. So malaria fever ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, malaria, right? So malaria, right? So chloroquine is one of the one more antibiotic, so that is used for the malaria, or as drug is used for the malaria. In the same way, halothane, the drugs which is used for the, which is used as a anesthetic. So these are the few examples. You can observe. So what is the importance of haloalkanes and the haloarenes, right? Soil microorganism which produces chloramphenicol, which is used in the typhoid fever. In the same way, chloroquine is effective for what? Malaria. And halothane, which is in earlier case we are going to use what? Anesthetic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? So next we will go for the classification. Okay, so next we will go for the classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms. So how many halogen atoms are attached for that particular carbon atoms? On the basis of that, so they may be classified as what? Mono. So ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ mono ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎರಡಿದ್ರೆ di ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. If it is many, so then we can say it is polyhalogen. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? polyhalogen ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? CH3X. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ CH3X is nothing but monohalo alkane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? monohalo alkane. Monohalo alkanes. Suppose if I write CHX, CH2, CH2X. So this is what exactly dihalo alkanes. So dihalo alkanes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Dihalo alkane. Alright, so one more example you can see here. CHX, CHX and then CHX. See the valency. So CH2X, CHX and then CH2X. So this is the trihalo alkane. So these are the halo alkanes. Based on what? Halo alkanes we can classify. If it is one halogen is attached, then monohalo alkanes. Dihalogen is attached, dihalo alkanes. If it is trihalogen is present, and trihalo alkanes. In the same way we can go for the aryl halides, right? So aryl halides andre benzene alva. So benzene mele kuda enagutte namge? So mono, you can say it is monohalo arene, right? In the same way you can say, so X, and then so I will write here one more X here, right? X, dihalo arene, and then this is example for what? Trihalo. 1X, second X and the third X, right? So this is the trihalo arene. You can say. So this is based on what? On the basis of number of halogen atoms. So next we will go for compound containing. So based on compound containing, right? sp3 carbon which is attached for that halogen, right? So halogen ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗಾನ್ sp3 hybridization. For that halogen should be attached, right? Or else you can say it is compound containing CX bond. So compound containing CX bond, right? So I have written X here. X are nothing but fluorine, bromine or iodine. So these all are what? Halogen, right? So first if I go for halo alkanes, so I will write, so here number 1, or else you can say write A anta bariri. Alkyl halides or halo alkanes. Alkyl halides or halo alkane alva. So alkyl halides ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋನ್ ವಾಟ್? sp3 hybridization. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? sp3 hybridization ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? sp3 hybridization. Hence you can generally represent it through what? Rx ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? Rx. And the homologous series, whatever if I write, so alkane ಅನ್ನ homologous series ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, alkene ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ homologous series ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, alkyne ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ homologous series ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ if I write for alkane ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? CnH2n plus what? H2n plus 1 we are writing alva. So not 1, so here 2. So 2 we are writing CnH2n plus 2. But so when I replace one hydrogen here, so these are hydrogen, clear number of hydrogens. Suppose if I write C1 H ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? 2 into 1 plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So C1H4, you know, C1H4. If I write halo alkane CH4 then CH3X, you have to reduce one what? Hydrogen here. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು 1, -1 ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಹೋದರೆ 1 ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆಯುವ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. CnH2n plus 1 into X is nothing but halogen, right? So what are the types of alkyl halides you have? So what are the types of alkyl halides you have? So you can classify alkyl halides based on what? Whether that carbon is primary, secondary or the tertiary, right? So primary, secondary, tertiary. Suppose this carbon if it is primary andre enagutte ಒಂದು CC bond irutte. CC I will write in the form of R dash, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು carbon CH3 group ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. C, right? I won't write CH3, I will write R, right? And then I will write here H, and then I will write H here. So here X. So this is what exactly the primary. So right, so primary alkyl halides you can say, and then I will write so R dash carbon, one more alkyl group CC ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, CC1 CC2 linkage ಇದೆ, right? You know very well regarding this, right? Hydrogen, right? ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು secondary ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So now one thing I will do here once again, one more hydrogen I will replace. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಈ hydrogen ಅನ್ನು replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ R dash ಇಂದ R double dash, right? So one more hydrogen I will replace by R triple dash, okay? And then I will write one more what? Halogen, right? So this halogen is what, which is attached to the all are sp3 hybridized. So this is sp3. So there is no double bond anywhere else if you see in that. So there is no double bond. So we are dealing with the compound containing sp3, means all the carbon atom must undergo sp3. Alla carbon atom ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ sp3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ, ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಉಳಿದದ್ದೆಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? CC double linkage you have secondary, right? Secondary, only one hydrogen is present here in secondary. Tertiary, there is no hydrogen, all are replaced by what? R group, right? CC linkage 1, CC linkage 2 and CC linkage 3, total 3 CC linkage, and this is what exactly tertiary haloalkanes we are calling. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? tertiary haloalkanes. Number, so the compound contains. So next one more thing, B is very important. So very important. So that is nothing but allylic halides. Allylic halides. What is allylic halides? Right? So what is allylic halides? So allylic halides are nothing but, see here I will write the compound containing sp3. So allylic is nothing but the carbon double bond. I will write carbon double bond, right? So carbon double bond adre enagutte, so this is sp2. So here also sp2. So we are not dealing with sp2, right? So next to that carbon double bond, so next to that carbon double bond, if you have sp3, for that carbon atom, if you have halogen attached to the sp3 carbon, which is next to the carbon double bond, and such halides we are calling what? Allylic halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? Allylic halides, right? The halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to what? CC double bond. So next to what? CC double bond. Next carbon ಗೆ sp3 ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? Allylic halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? Allylic halides. So very important. So allylic halides. So one more example I will give for allylic halides, right? So here, right? Hexene ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ, right? So this is hexane and this is the hexene. So hexene ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is carbon. So if I write carbon here, so this is sp2. Here also you have what? sp2. So next to the carbon double bond, here or here, if I write X, and that is said to be what? Allylic halides. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? Allylic halides. Very important. Confusion ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ example. So give an example for allylic halides ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, right? So you have to write this one, okay, or else this one, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ allylic halides. You can write here also. So I won't write here and I will write here also, and this is also an example for what? Allylic, right? Allylic. So you can write here, okay? So here write it down. So here. So right, so this is the example for what? Allylic. Next we will go for finish this one. Next we will go for arenes, haloarenes AB, and then C we will go, that is benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. So what is benzylic halides? Benzylic halides are nothing but if you have benzene ring, right? All the carbon which is present here, they all are sp2. So we are not dealing with sp2, right? So next to that carbon, if I have one more carbon here, so next carbon enagutte namage one more carbon if I have, right? So I will write here CH3. If I replace one or more hydrogen by halogen X, right? So then that particular compound is said to be benzylic halides. Benzylic halogen bonded to, I will write here, halogen bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring, aromatic ring. The carbon atom which is undergone sp3 next to the aromatic ring. So you can write here also CH2X, right? So next agirbeku, not for that, right? So see here, illi kuda enagide double bond ide. So double bond ida next carbon atom, right? So illi carbon bardu halogen bardu enagutte. So it is which is attached to the double bond sp2, not sp2. So it must be sp3. So this is sp3. Alva. So e carbon enagutte. So this carbon is sp2. So next carbon enide nodi. So this carbon is sp3. For that sp3, if it is halogen is attached next to the benzene ring, so that compound is said to be benzylic halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? benzylic halides. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪಿನ benzylic halides ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? So once again 3 types, the same way, primary, secondary and tertiary, right? So I will write one example here, right? So CH, or else I will write C, R dash, R double dash, and then X, right? So R dash, if I write R dash equal to CH3, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ R dash CH3 ಆದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? R dash CH3 ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ R ಡಬಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು CH3 ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ CC. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ R dash is equal to CH3, R double dash also related to what? CH3, and then this entire thing is said to be what? ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? CH3 ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಹಾಕಿ, CH3 and then X you have, so that is what? Tertiary. So this is secondary. Understood? So that is why you can say what? benzylic halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸೊ CH2X ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ. Right? So this is primary, right? So this is primary, CH2X, right? Here hydrogen, so both are hydrogen, right? So R dash is equal to what? Hydrogen, and then R double dash also equal to hydrogen, and then it is said to be what? Primary, secondary and tertiary. In the same way you can see, right? So you should remember what is primary, what is secondary and what is tertiary. Primary ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ CC ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ CC, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಜೊತೆ CC ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅದರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. CC ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CC ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? 3 ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಬೆನ್ಝೈಲಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? ಬೆನ್ಝೈಲಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 is nothing but compound containing sp2cx bond, sp2cx bond. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ sp2cx bond ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? The carbon should undergo what? sp2 hybridization. So if I write C single bond C single bond C single bond C, right? So this is what? This is what? So this is ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು? allylic. The carbon which has the halogen atom next to the carbon double bond. Carbon double bond is the next carbon ಗೆ X attach ಆದರೆ allylic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So if the C double bond C and then C, if that halogen is attached to this carbon atom, right? So here you have what? sp2. So here you are having sp3. So in this carbon atom you have what? sp2 hybridization. Here sp3, right? Suppose this carbon atom contains halogen atom. So then this molecules or else that compound is said to be what? sp2cx bond ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Number 1, so A is nothing but vinylic. So vinylic halides. So that is the example. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. This is not a vinylic, this is allylic. Once again I am repeating. Carbon double bond next to that carbon which has sp3, for that halogen is attached, so then allylic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ allylic carbon ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ allylic carbon ಗೆ halogen ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಅದನ್ನ allylic halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this is sp3, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So right, so now what is the example for vinylic? Vinylic ಇದು example, right? Why? So carbon which undergo sp2 and that is we are calling vinyl. So vinylic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. For that vinylic, that halogen is attached, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ? vinylic halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The halogen atom is bonded to an halogen atom is bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Or else you can say it is the halogen atom bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a cc double bond, you can say cc double bond. So you can say cc double bond, or else that carbon should undergo sp2 cc double bond, carbon double bond, or else sp2 hybridized. And that example, for that example we are calling what? Vinyl halides. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ vinyl halides ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. C X you can write, or else directly you can write X. Directly you can write X. CC double bond X, right? Hexene ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ? Right, so see here, this is hexene, okay, right? If I write here, what happens? Which type of haloalkanes you are getting for this? ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅವಾಗ? So that is once again allylic, right? So now if I want vinylic halides from this, right? So this is not an vinylic, so this is the allylic, right? Carbon double bond. Next, so here carbon double bond you have, next to that carbon is sp3 hybridized. For that halogen is nothing but what? So allylic. So I have written here, so allylic, right? But we are talking about what? Vinylic. So this carbon double bond, for that carbon if I have halogen, right? So that halogen, if it is attached for that carbon atom, so then that what compound is said to be a what? Vinylic halide. So this is also one of the example. So you can write here X is the example. So this is vinylic halides. So next we will go for aryl halides, right? So I will write here only. So aryl halides B. Aryl halides. What is aryl halides? Aryl halides nothing but the halogen atom is bonded to the halogen atom is bonded to the, right, the halogen atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom of what? Benzene ring, or else carbon atom of an aromatic ring, right. Example ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? So you can write simplest alkyl halide. So ಇದನ್ನೇನು aryl halide, right, aryl halides. This is the simplest example, right? So you can write functional group also here. I will write for this. This is example, and also you can write one more example. So I will write CH3 here, and you can write here X. Example, right? So what is the name of that alkyl halides? So we have to discuss in IUPAC nomenclature, right? So this is regarding what? The classification, right? Classification. So what are the classifications? Hegaitu on the basis of, first thing is number of halogen atom attached to the carbon. How many numbers? Whether it is 1, 2 or 3. Avaga mono heltivi, monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes and the trihaloalkanes. In the same way, arenes, monohaloarenes, dihaloarenes and the trihaloarenes. So next, the compound containing what? sp3CX bond, right? So in that we have done with what? Alkyl halides, primary, secondary, tertiary, right? Alkyl halides. So next we have what? Allylic halides. The carbon should contain sp3 hybridization, which is bonded to the carbon double bond. So carbon double bond in the next carbon sp3 ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ halogen ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು allylic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? And the compound containing sp2CX, so then you have what? Vinylic. So this is example for what? Vinylic. Aryl halides, very simple. So the halogen atom must attach to the carbon atom which undergone sp2 hybridization anywhere else in the benzene ring. So benzene ring, or else you can say it is aromatic ring ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ aromatic ring. So aromatic ring undergone what? sp2 hybridization. Okay, so next moving on, so nomenclature, right? So there are two types of nomenclature. Already we have know what about the common name. So common name ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ IUPAC nomenclature ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, common name system and the IUPAC system ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So in the common name, alkyl halides are named as what? Halo substituted hydrocarbons. Very simple, halo substituted hydrocarbons. So that they are giving in common name. But in IUPAC nomenclatures we have the set of rules, right, to give the IUPAC what exactly the name of that particular compound. So that is through the IUPAC nomenclature, right? So if it is more than 2 halogen present, so more than 2 halogen derivatives are present, so then we can say the place of that particular the carbon which contains that halogen. 1,2 you can give, or else 1,3 you can give, 1,4 you can give, right? So in common name we are saying, for example, benzene ring, right? Ortho we can use ortho and meta and para. So already we have discussed it regarding that ortho position, meta position and the para position. So that is the common. So in common name we are going to use, okay? Ortho, meta, para elli barutte nodi, it is nothing but common. So meta dinitrobenzene irbodu, right? So athava meta dibromo benzene irbodu. So example we have tribromobenzene irbodu. So para bromobenzene, para chlorobenzene, right? So meta chlorobenzene, whatever it name, right? So these are the common name, right? IUPAC nomenclature alli bandaka, so we are so writing with the number exactly where they are going to add that particular carbon atoms, where they are present in that particular carbon atom. Okay, so first we will go, so there are certain examples from the NCERT text, right? So we will go one by one. The first thing is, right, so meta eta propa, so bromine is the functional group here, so that is halogen, okay, halogen, right? So there are 3 carbon atoms, 1 halogen atoms. So in common name you can give it. So common name in ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. 1 2 3. ಸೊ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪಾ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ, ಎನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್, ಎನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ IUPAC nomenclature? ಸೊ IUPAC, ಸೊ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು IUPAC nomenclature. ಸೊ IUPAC nomenclature is nothing but, so you can give 1 2 3, 1 2 3. ಸೊ 3 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ substituent is nothing but halogen, right. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 1 ಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪೋ, 1 ಬ್ರೋಮೋ propane. So very simple, 1 bromo propane. So 1 bromo propane, right. So what about the IUPAC name of this system? IUPAC name of this system 1 2 3. So 3 ಇದೆ, 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 1 2 3 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ರೈಟ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಇದೆ, 2 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪೈನ್. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 2 3, 1 2 3 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಸೊ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಪುನಃ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3, 1 2 3. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್, ಕ್ಲೋರೋ, 1 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್, 1 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮೀಥೈಲ್, 2 ಮೀಥೈಲ್. ಸೊ 1 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ 2 ಮೀಥೈಲ್, ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪಾ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. So propane, clear. So hence what is the IUPAC nomenclature here, 1 chloro direct ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 2 methyl, 1 chloro 2 methyl propane, 1 chloro 2 methyl propane. So 1 chloro, right. So 1 chloro, capital letter, 1 chloro 2 methyl propane. So these are the what IUPAC nomenclature. ಸೊ IUPAC nomenclature. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು, ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, ರೈಟ್. ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, right. So here what happens, ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಾ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಐಸೋಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ 1 2 3 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಐಸೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 1 2 3 4 ಇದೆ, 4 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಾ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಐಸೋಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್, isobutyl chloride, right. IUPAC nomenclature ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 chloro 2 methyl. So propane you can say, right. 1 chloro 2 methyl propane. For what about this, so directly you can write 1 2 3 4, right. 1 not 3 not 4. So carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So you can go here anywhere else, carbon number 3. So directly I will go 1 2 3, right. So directly you can say 1 chloro, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 2 ಸೊ 2 2 ಡೈಮೀಥೈಲ್, 2 ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈಮೀಥೈಲ್. ಸೊ 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಇದೆ. 1 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ 2 2 ಡೈಮೀಥೈಲ್, ಮೀಥಾ ಈತಾ ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ 1 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ 2 2 ಡೈಮೀಥೈಲ್, 1 ಕ್ಲೋರೋ 2 2 dimethyl propane. Okay. So for this one, CH3 Br, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 2 chloropropane ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 2 bromo, ಸೊ 2 bromo meet ಆಯ್ತಾ propane, ಸೊ 2 bromo propane, so 2 bromo propane. Okay, so 2 bromo propane, right? So next we will go for the haloarenes. So here the common name for this system ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾ, bromobenzene. Okay, so common name for this bromobenzene. So bromobenzene. IUPAC nomenclature also same for it. IUPAC bromobenzene, right? So here compared to this group, so here meta position, ortho, meta and para. So ortho, meta, para, you know very well, right? So this is we are calling ortho, this is we are calling ortho position, meta position, and then you have the para position, OMP, ortho, meta and para, right? So in meta position you have what? So bromine. So meta position alli enide bromine ide, adrinda ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, meta dibromobenzene. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ, meta dibromobenzene. meta means small m, meta ಎರಡು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ dibromobenzene, meta dibromobenzene, right? What about the IUPAC nomenclature? So IUPAC nomenclatures you have to see the number here, 1 2 3, 1,3 position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 1 3 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಮೆಟಾ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್. ಸೊ ಮೆಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್, ಮೆಟಾ ಡೈಬ್ರೋಮೊಬೆಂಜಿನ್. IUPAC nomenclature ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ 1,3 dibromobenzene, right? So di you can write it as capital here, di 1,3 slash small slash dibromobenzene, 1,3 dibromobenzene. So here for this common name you can write SYM tribromobenzene, tribromobenzene, right? So tribromobenzene. For IUPAC nomenclature you can write 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1,3 position you can write 5, tribromobenzene. So these all are what? IUPAC nomenclature. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ IUPAC nomenclature ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so IUPAC nomenclature very important, so just note it down. Okay, so here you can observe, so what is the common name, SYM as given for the tribromobenzene. So it is nothing but symmetric. You can see here symmetrically it is arranged 1 3 5, or else it may be present here also 2 4 6, that is also same symmetry, right? So symmetric, right? So hence they are using SYM tribromobenzene. Okay, so this is regarding what? A nomenclature. So one more thing is very important here. Okay, so next very important, so very important. So dihalo compounds having the same types of halogen atoms. So ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಡೈಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪುನಃ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು 2 types. One is geminal dihalides, another one is vicinal dihalides, or else vicinal halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So geminal halides and the vicinal halides, and it is very important, so most important. Okay, so what is vicinal dihalides, give an example, and what is geminal halides, give an example, right? So what is the geminal halides and what is the vicinal halides? So the dihalides which having the same types of halogen atoms, same type of halogen atoms ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, based on that we are classifying once again geminal dihalides. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ geminal dihalides ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಸೊ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, and same example 2 carbons are there, clear, 2 carbons, and the 4 hydrogens once again, 1 2 3 4, so here also 1 2 3 4 and then 2 chlorine. Just you can see the place of chlorine. So where I have kept chlorine, so chlorine is present in what? Single carbon. So ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದೆ, but here the adjacent carbon, next carbon ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ adjacent carbon, for that adjacent carbon you have so one more chloride here, right? So this 2 chlorine is present in adjacent carbon atom. So in this example that chlorine is present to a single carbon atom, right? Adrinda same halogen, chloride, so chloride, so bromide idre bromide na ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು, right? So the chlorine, if it is present for the same single carbon, then that halide is said to be what? Geminal halides. The halogen present in the same carbon atom, right? So halogen atom present in the same carbon atom, so we are calling geminal halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And what is the common name for it? Common name ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ alkylidine. Remember alkylidine halides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, alkylidine halides. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ vicinal dihalides ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? The halogen present on the adjacent carbon atom, right? So halogen atom is present on the adjacent carbon atom. And what is the common name for it? Common name for it ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? alkyline dihalides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? alkyline dihalides. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಜಮೈನಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಈತೇನಿದೆ ಆವಾಗ ಸೊ ಈಥೈಲಿಡಿನ್, ಸೊ ಈಥೈಲಿಡಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, ಈಥೈಲಿಡಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಈಥೈಲಿಡಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ 1, so we are calling ethylidine chloride, right? So ethylidine chloride. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? alkylene ethylene dichloride, so ethylene dichloride, so common. So this is what exactly? Gem halide, and this is vicinal halide. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ gem halide ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, gem dihalides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ vicinal dihalides. ಇದೇನು? gem dihalide, geminal dihalide. This is vicinal dihalide. IUPAC nomenclature ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಮೀತಾ ಈತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 1,1 ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ, 1,1 ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಮೀತಾ ಈಥೇನ್, ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಈಥೇನ್. ಸೊ 1,1 ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ, 1,1 ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ, so ethane, 1,1 dichloro ethane. So here 1,2 dichloro methane, 1,2 dichloro ethane. So 1,2 dichloro ethane ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1,1 dichloro ethane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, 1,1 dichloro ethane. So 1,1 dichloro, 1,2 dichloroethane, right? So this is 1,2 dichloroethane. So very important, geminal halides and the vicinal. So geminal means the same halogen atom attached to the single carbon. Here the same halogen atom attached to the adjacent 2 carbon atoms, right? So ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಬರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, adjacent, ರೈಟ್? ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? ವಿಸಿನಲ್ ಡೈಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಮೈನಲ್ ಡೈಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್, ಇಥೈಲಿಡಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಥೈಲಿನ್ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ alkylidine halides, alkylene dihalides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, alkylene dihalides.